In this video, we review a change to how file shares are provisioned in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.4. When we create an Active Directory Domain Services join file share, an object is created in Active Directory Domain Services that represents the file share. A user account is created by default, or we have the option in Nerdio to deploy a computer account instead. The default for either type, a user or computer account, is now set to AES 256 encryption for Kerberos authentication. This is a Microsoft recommended encryption level and the default for both computer and user account types in Nerdio. Also, we can now view the join type for an Azure file share in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise. In Azure Files, the join type will display under the storage account name. That is an overview of the new default to use AES 256 encryption for Azure file shares in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise.